and welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video to create a session focused on the throat chakra and just helping you opening your throat chakra and clear it, just to give you a boost and help you express yourself and speak up. So let's begin. One of the most common symptoms of a throat chakra that is closed or clouded is that you will have a lot of resentment, and jealousy too can be one of the main symptoms of a dysfunctional throat chakra. So I'm going to use my little lapis, beautiful lapis lazuli. And I'm going to start moving energy into your chakra, and we're going to kind of pluck the things maybe that were not said and then got stuck in there. Or maybe if your throat chakra is overactive, I'm gonna just take the extra energy . So on the opposite side of jealousy and resentment, if your throat chakra is overactive, it can be transmuted to saying things that hurt other people, and or just acting out, saying things that you don't really believe or that you don't really think. So it's really expressing yourself out of just straight away without thinking. So we're gonna pluck that out there. Up. Here we go. you. Really. Clearing and move this energy around. And then we're going to infuse. Your throat chakra is opening so well right now, and it's starting to align. Never forget that you don't have to pretend to be somebody, just express yourself the way you see the world, you know? Because you are the gift. So your point of view is important. No matter what people think, and no matter what people expect you to say, just say what's in your mind. Without, of course, trying to hurt other people, but just be yourself. Don't hold on to things. Don't say things that are not really aligned with you. And use your voice to not only share your opinion, but to share your love to other people. Thank you for joining me for this throat chakra clearing. I hope you felt this beautiful energy coming into you and this beautiful divine light opening your chakra. And I will see you soon. Never forget that you are the gift and that you have to remember who you are. And you're just a beautiful, divine